Tired of waiting in long queues to enter or exit Bhutan through the Phuntsholing Pedestrian Terminal? We have great news. The Department of Immigration is excited to announce the introduction of the automated immigration clearance system for seamless entry and exit from Bhutan. With automated immigration clearance system, your exit and entry will become quicker, easier, and completely hassle-free. Let's see how to use the eGate. Stand directly in front of the eGate camera for facial recognition. Move promptly when the eGate opens. Do not use force if the gate does not respond. Avoid rushing towards the eGate. Stay calm and patient. Seek assistance from officials on duty or wait for assistance. We will help you. To use the eGate, you must have biometric data enrolled. For Bhutanese citizens, ensure your biometrics are enrolled with the Department of Civil Registration and Census. For foreigners, ensure your biometrics are enrolled with the Department of Immigration. A few things to keep in mind while using the eGate. Avoid carrying oversized luggage or items. Remove hats, sunglasses, or masks that could obstruct facial recognition. Children below 8 years old are not eligible to use the eGate. If you are unable to use the eGate, manual counters are available for entry and exit. For any support, our team from the Department of Immigration is always on site and ready to assist you.